Today, I'm going to walk you through how to effortlessly reuse existing tables in Confluence. No more copy-pasting. No more worrying about out-of-date data in multiple spots. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set things up so the same table stays connected and always up to date, wherever you want to display it. Let's dive right in. First up, you'll want to find the source page that contains the table you want to reuse. Think of this like finding the master copy of your table. Changes you make here can flow anywhere else you show it, so pick the version that's always up to date or best maintained. Next, go ahead and edit that source page. You can do this by clicking the Edit button at the top, just like you'd do for any other changes you want to make. Now, rather than just copying the table, we're going to set up a special container for it. The Excerpt macro. This little tool acts like a window, letting you share the content somewhere else, but always keeping the original as the source of truth. To add the Excerpt macro, type Excerpt right where you want it to appear, usually right above or below your table. You'll see the macro insert itself. It's basically a special placeholder. If you plan to reuse multiple excerpts from the same page, it's a good idea to give it a name. This name helps you find the right chunk later on, much like labeling a folder so you don't grab the wrong thing. But if it's just one excerpt on the page, you can keep it simple. Now drag or cut and paste your table inside this Excerpt macro. Take a moment here, make sure the entire table is inside the macros box so nothing gets left out. This part only takes a few extra seconds, but ensures you won't run into any display issues later. Once your table is comfortably sitting inside the macro, save or publish the page. Give the page a second to update. You want to make sure those changes are really locked in before you try to access them elsewhere. Alright, now let's jump over to the page where you actually want to display that same table. This could be a summary page, a dashboard, or anywhere your team needs the data. Let's add an Excerpt include macro, which pulls in the info from your source. Just type Excerpt include to bring it up. It functions kind of like a live webcam, beaming in whatever's inside that excerpt from the other page. When the dialog pops up, you'll need to select the source page. That's the original page where your table lives inside the excerpt. If you named your excerpt, make sure to pick that exact name so you don't accidentally grab the wrong data, especially on pages with a lot going on. Now all that's left is to publish your new page, and watch the magic happen. The same table now appears automatically here, and the best part is, any update you make to the table on the source page will also show up everywhere you've included it. No more tracking down stale copies or updating things in 5 different places. And that's it, you've just taken your first step into powerful content reuse in Confluence. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any snags. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart Confluence tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.